Really and truly, darling, you have to drop your T. So when you say the water, you are just like water. What exactly? Ooh. You have to.
Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. What time it hard to carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, this is O. Hope you all doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. So in a recent interview conducted by Kiss Fresh, dancehall artist Shenseea touched on variety of personal and career topics, and I absolutely love this interview. Shenseea was so angelic and amazing. So Shenseea said, first and foremost, I want people to stop labeling me as Queen of Dancehall or Dancehall Queen. We already know who the Queen of Dancehall is, Spice. Shenseea said she wants to be recognized only as Shenseea from Jamaica, and to me it shows a respect to Spice, and it also shows a commitment that she just wants to represent her country through her music, and that's it.
First of all, I would very much like people to stop saying I'm the Dancehall Queen.
Okay.
You know, like
Fast.
I feel like I would love to be labeled as Shenseea from Jamaica.
Fairs.
Representing for Jamaica.
Fairs.
Doing great music. Full stop. Right there.
Shenseea discussed her plans for releasing a new album this year. I was surprised when I heard it. Shenseea said she will bring back the old Shenseea that Jamaican people love, because ever since she did the Hit and Run song, that hit song, you know, people love that type of Shenseea.
So what can we expect from Shenseea in 2024?
Wow, I'm thinking about releasing my album this year.
Lovely. We've been waiting.
If it doesn't get released, then, you know, it's my label's fault, and I'm going to say that straight up. And my teams.
You know,
yes.
No shade.
So don't throw me under the bus if it goes sideways.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm thinking about releasing the album this year, and more a mixture of, you know, what I've been exploring and the old Shenyang that people say they like.
Yes, absolutely. Because I was going to say, does that mean that Shenseea's coming to save summer?
Me?
Girl.
Ooh. I mean, it's up to you guys. What do you guys think? I don't know.
So during the interview, Shenseea spoke about her admiration for King of Dancehall Vybz Kartel and dancehall icon Mavado. Shenseea said Kartel and Mavado era was her favorite, and of course my favorite too, everybody's favorite. Gully and Gaza days was the days. Shenseea recalled a particular song Mavado sing that is her favorite Mavado song.
What's your favorite era of dancehall, if you have one?
Wow. The Vybz Kartel / Mavado.
Oh, same. Oh, that Mavado, honestly, it will get me every single time. I remember where I was when I first heard, "Girl, me for you, take off your pants."
Yeah.
No, listen, Jesus.
That's the song I was trying to remember for the last interview.
No way. Oh, that is my tune and a half. I must have been like
strings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jeez. That is my
song.
tune.
It is mine too.
Shenseea revealed her plans to connect with her Korean heritage. I was surprised and amazed when I heard this part. She intends to learn Korean language and explore Korean cuisine. Interestingly, she's open to the idea of incorporating K-pop into her music.
Is there any like culture that you'd like to delve into? Any other genre that you might see yourself like dipping your toe in?
I think I'm about to start exploring my other side.
Oh.
You know, the Korean heritage.
Yes.
So I think I'm going to start learning some words and learning about the food there as well. So that's what I'm about to get into.
Could you see yourself like jumping on K-pop?
Of course.
Oh.
Listen, once it's music, I'm there.
Oh, I love that for you.
I always said nobody can put me down in a box, you know? So once it's music and it sounds good, I'm going to be there.
So Shenseea spoke about where the name for her fan base Shenyang came from, and it's stemming from a playful interaction that she had with dancehall artist Ding Dong, who got the name from his song Yang Yang. And in Jamaica, people call the bikes Yang Yang.
Yes.
How did that nickname come about, and what does it mean?
Well, do you know Ding Dong?
Yes.
When I just came out and I went with Shenseea, he just came out with Yang Yang. Yang Yang. Yang Yang, Yang Yang. That dance with the bikes.
Yep.
So he was like, Shen Yang. And I said, what are you merging my name with your song? And it's a bike too. Like, that's what they call it in Jamaica, the little beanie bikes. They call it Yang Yang.
Yeah.
So he's just like, you should have went with the name Shen Yang. You talking about Shenseea.
Yeah.
Shenseea ain't it. You need to go with Shen Yang.
So Shenseea spoke about her deep admiration for Rihanna, not only her musical achievement, but also her successful transition into business ventures such as makeup hip-hop industry. Shenseea said she finds Rihanna's career trajectory inspiring because many more artists need to expand their reach and influence beyond music.
Wow, I'm always give Rihanna her flowers because I feel like just being such a great musician for so many years. I was just looking at her coffee book, and it was just amazing to see from start to finish the transitions that she went through in her career. And that's my first time looking through it too, just to see all the experiences in one place.
Yeah.
So I think the trajectory was really dope, really cool, and for her to go in makeup now and still doing great things is insane to me. That's what I aspire to do, you know, because it goes beyond music at a certain point in years.
Yeah.
Like we can't do the music forever. So to make a smooth transition into something successful is even harder to do, you know?
It's giving mogul.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Shenseea tried to speak British accent. And it's the most fun and interesting thing you will hear in a while. Shenseea described Jamaican people as bold, proud and authentic, and we're full of pride. Jamaican people, oh gosh, full of pride.
Do you know how to do a UK accent, do you reckon?
I try a little bit, you know?
I'm You're giving us the British, very much royal English.
Do my big one.
Do my big one. It was very much given like, yeah, the Queen's English a little bit. And really and truly, darling, you have to drop your T. So when you say the water, you are just like water. Water, exactly. Ooh. You have to add a little bit of attitude like water. Can I get some water, please?
Can I get some water, please?
Exactly. Welcome, darling. Thank you. Your passport's going to be with you in 5 working days. What about Jamaican women? What are they like as partners and as friends?
Partners. I think we're very jealous. Oh, so jealous.
Sounds like Nigerians, really, truly.
And
sounds
for
just
friends,
like me.
For friends, I think it's a bit in between real and conniving.
Oh.
He's always talking shit. You know, like, they're just always talking some shit. And that's the truth.
Yeah.
But, you know, we're still there for you, though.
Of course. How would you describe Jamaican people in 3 words?
3 words. Bold.
Love it.
Yo, we got pride like crazy.
And
like we're not saying sorry. We're not begging friends.
Yeah.
We're not going to make you feel like you're more than us.
Yeah.
Pride. Actually, let's move that up to number 1.
Okay, that's number 1.
Jamaicans got the pride.
Love it.
2, we're bold. 3, I would say we're real. We're going to keep it real 100%.
Absolutely.
To the point where people think we're mean.
No, I actually say about Jamaica, I love them so much. You'll either cry with them or you'll laugh. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Depending on what they say to you, you're going to have the best time or you're going to have to actually think about your life.
True. Yeah, I would say those 3.
And for those who've never experienced, what about Jamaican women? What are they like as partners and as friends?
Partners. I think we're very jealous.
Alright, let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed the video, because I personally enjoy making this video. It was a fun video to watch, and as my said, Shenseea was just so angelic, ravishing, and the video was an amazing interview.